Mag-harvest lang tayo guys ng aming potato para sa aming roast beef. Yan, Sunday roast today because it's Sunday. Kasama ko ang aking mga chikiting mag-harvest. Carly, come here. It's a little bit windy. Come on now, baby boy. Here, this way.
Can I get my jacket?
Yeah. That's not open, I think. Come here. Ayan, guys. Update. Uy, lumaki. Guys, tingnan nyo, guys. Lumaki yung ating zucchini. Ayan. Tapos, ito pa. Meron pa. Oh, meron pa. Ayan. At saka nandun pa sa ano. Nandun pa sa likuran. Ayan. Dudong. Don't be so naughty, Dudong. Ayan, guys. May flower na, guys. May flowers na ang aking ampalaya. Oh, my Lord. Ayan na. Sabi nila, hindi daw gagalawin. So, pabayaan lang natin yan. Ayan. Ayan. Talaga excited lang ako guys kasi first time kong magpatubo mag-isa. Magpatubo ng halaman kasi dati nung nagtatanim kami ng mga gulay, kasama ko yung mother-in-law ko. Nakakamiss kasi guys, pumanaw siya this year, February. So, this year, hindi na namin siya makakasama. So, ayan. Where is the boy?
I have no idea.
It's at the back, I think. Can you get him at the back? Here.
Oh.
Oh my God. Tingnan nyo, guys.
Oh my God.
Look at Thomas's stuff.
Ano nangyari?
No, we have to change him. Look at his butt.
So wet.
I can't play for
Oh my, you're cold now. We need to change.
Thomas is welcome.
Oh no!
Yeah, change your clothes.
So we're going inside again.
Oh, going inside. I'm going inside and yeah, just dig the potato there, Yuki.
Wait, where's the potato?
Come here.
You have potatoes. Where's the potato?
Here's the potato here. Here's the potato. Yeah, there's loads of potato inside. Oh no.
So this one
Tapos,
to
ayan
turn
pa.
on the hose.
See?
This smells very soft. Okay, next one. Look at that potato. You just ripped it.
Wait, what are we meant to do?
Pick it up, please.
Okay,
Pick
can we have
it
gloves?
up.
That's mommy.
Oh,
That's Yuki.
it's huge.
And that's some potatoes. Look.
Okay.
I wanted to show all the potatoes.
We're going to be picking up the potatoes.
Ew.
There, Yuki, or the white one or the green one.
Okay, we are going to get gloves.
Let me pick it up.
Don't move it. Just leave it there. Wait, hold that. That's where we're going to be putting the potatoes. We're going
I'm
to.
gonna be the hold the potatoes, and you're you're gonna put it all in?
No. We're both doing it, and we're leaving that thing on the floor. We have to pick them up.
Okay, let's pick them up.
Come on, Carla, you have to pick them up.
Why are all these like red things and all that stuff?
I don't know. Ask
Ew!
them. Before you have to have gloves.
You love potatoes, right?
I don't love them, but I am a potato. This one is a tiny potato.
Why do we need tiny potatoes?
I don't know.
This is an incy wincy potato. You need it.
Is this a potato? I don't know. No, I don't think it's a potato.
No, it's not a potato, it's a rock. Are we gonna eat
Come
rocks?
on, Ruby.
You can't reach all the others.
No, it's in the soil. You have to dig the soil. That's why we have to wear gloves.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, look.
Okay, give me gloves. Give me gloves.
Where is them?
I don't know. I got me some.
Wait, I'll get it.
gloves. I want the comfy gloves like you have.
You can have these ones then.
And it goes over on the camera.
That's right. That's right,
And
Bob.
all the camera
That's right.
to the soil.
Can I have a...
Yeah, I can't make it. I'm just driving.
Just dig in more.
Good. Look, there's some wood lices.
I told you.
Oh, here. Oh, very big one.
Why couldn't I see that? No, I want to pick it up. Let me pick it up. Can I hold
Because
it?
it's
Can I hold it?
I said under all of those green bits, it's potatoes. Because those green bits are roots of the. Wait, no, they're
Here.
roots of-
One more. There.
That's all we're picking up today.
Be careful, careful.
Ayan.
Ayan yung aming nakuha, guys. So,
I can see more, I think.
yeah, I know.
Now this.
Yan.
Ooh, potatoes.
Ay!
Oh my God, potatoes!
Oh my God, the potato!
No! Thomas just put the potato in that, but in that thing, and there's like really dirty water in it. And mud.
And he ruined
What are you
the
doing? Why are you
potatoes.
taking?
Don't pick up another one!
Boy. Oh my Lord.
No!
Ano nangyari?
He just tipped all of the potato.
Tommy! Stop it!
Ah! So bad.
No! Tommy! Come on, put it back. Put it back.
Ah. Thomas,
I'll find some more
I'm gonna
potatoes.
squish you in a minute.
I found
with
some more.
potato.
I'm gonna find the more potatoes.
There, baby. There. You can climb on the soil. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah.
I'm gonna put
That's
my
right.
head on the net.
I'm gonna. Thomas.
Okay, pick it up.
I think I have to take all the dirt out of my shoes.
I'm trying to stop Thomas to come over here. You big poopy!
Wait in a minute. I'm gonna take this out of my shoes.
Let him out so he can play there.
He's gonna get a potato.
Yeah, let him out. This way. That way. Go. Pasensya na, guys. Talagang
Where did Carly go?
ayan. Carly. Hello ulit, guys. Ito na ang ating niluluto ngayon, guys. Ayan. Ayan yung roast potato. Tapos na yung ating roast beef. Ayan na. Tapos nagpakulo na rin ako ng cabbage. And dito yung ating the rest of our vegetables. Ayan. Kukuluan lang. Tapos, beef gravy. Ayan lang, guys. Ang ating lulutuin. Ito yung potato na hinarvest natin kanina, guys, with my kids. Ayan. Iba talaga ang lasa, guys, pag fresh. Yung galing talaga sa garden, sa bakuran. Ang sarap. Ito na ang aming food, guys. Ito lalagyan ko siya ng ito yung sa akin. Yan yung sa akin. Lalagyan ko siya ng rice. At saka ito yung sa mga kids. And then, meron din silang yung blended all vegetables and beef with the gravy blended. Ibe-blend ko tapos isasabaw ko yun sa kanilang rice. Yan. Ito lang muna sa ngayon. Yan lang kasi palalamigin pa natin yung ating guys, yung gulay at saka yung gravy para madali siyang mag-blend. Can you get the bowl? Can you bring the bowl inside, please?
Carly, we have to get the bowl. And also,
Give it to me. I can hold it. I'm strong.
Ito yung tradition nila na
Thank you.
food, guys. Every Sunday, magluluto kami ng roast. Minsan Saturday evening, pag walang pag may time Saturday evening, yun natin sa asawa ko kasi mahilig siya sa meats. Yan sa akin. Tapos, itong iba sa na lang, sa mga bata. Yan mamaya. Ayan. Tapos, ayan na guys. Ayan. Ito kay Thomas. Ayan sa dalawang girls. Tapos, ito kay Peter. And then, yan sa akin with rice. And then, lagyan natin siya ng gravy. Ito yung gravy, guys. Ayan. Ito yung, ang gravy, guys, yung pinakuluan ng ng cabbage. Doon ko nilalagay yung gravy granules para mas malasa siya. Ayan na, guys. And then, see you next time, guys. Dito lang muna nagtatapos. Bye for now. Thank you.